Migrate the database. Before the migration, determine if the migration process needs to be paused and resumed before you start the database migration. For details, refer section Pause and Resume Migration Job. Once the migration job is initiated, the job system runs the job as configured. For migrating database, if connectivity to the source database server is through SSH keys, submit this command. Let's move to the demo now. For the prompts, specify the source database sys password, object storage user shift authentication token. Job is submitted and job ID is 2. You can query the database migration job status using the command gdm cli query job-job ID 2. Job current status is executing. Current execute phase is gdm get src info. Result file path. You can see migration progress messages in this specified file. Job execution start time is. These are the phases that get executed as part of the migration. Current execution phase is gdm get tzt info. You can query the migration job status as many times as you want while the job is running. Current execution phase is source database full backup onto the object store. In source database, let's create a table T with column ID number and insert the records into the table T. This can be verified post database migration. Now source database full backup is completed and incremental backup is in progress. Now let's insert 2 more records into the table T. Now table T has total 4 records. Incremental backup is also completed. Verify the status of the source and target databases. At the phase GDM clone TZT, using source database object store backup, database restore is in progress onto the target database. At the end of the execution of the phase being GDM configure DZ source, standby is created on target database and sync is happening between source and target database. At the end of the execution of the phase being GDM switchover source, switchover actions get completed at the source database. At the end of the execution of the phase being GDM switchover target, switchover actions get completed at the target database. Verify the status of the source and target databases. Now target database is primary and source database is in standby mode. Now job status is succeeded. Result file path, you can see complete database migration messages in the specified file. Job execution start time is job execution end time is to complete the migration. It took 36 minutes and 36 seconds. And these are the phases that got executed as part of the migration. Now let's verify the table T records on the target side, and table T has 4 records. With this, database migration is completed. Thank you.